Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're building a fun little DIY project, a mouse security alarm, inspired by Bharith Mohanty. It's an easy and creative way to repurpose an old optical mouse into a light-based security alert system. To start, take an old optical mouse that you don't use anymore and open it up carefully using a small screwdriver. Inside, you'll find the optical sensor and the small LED that shines from underneath the mouse. That's the key part we'll use. Once you've located the LED, solder the buzzer directly to the LED's terminals. This way, whenever the light path from the LED gets blocked, the sensor will detect it and trigger the buzzer. Next, we need a power source. You can use a regular mobile charger that outputs around 5 volts and 0.5 amps. Just connect the positive and negative wires from the charger to the mouse circuit. It's a simple setup that works perfectly for this low-power project. For the light source, you can stick with the built-in LED, or if you want a stronger detection line, use a small laser pointer instead. When the laser or LED beam gets interrupted, the optical sensor will instantly detect the change. Now, once everything is connected, power up the system and try blocking the light path. You'll see that as soon as the light is interrupted, the buzzer goes off, alerting you instantly. That's how you can easily turn an old optical mouse into a working security alarm using just a buzzer, some wiring, and the 5-volt power source. If you enjoyed this DIY tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more creative tech projects.